This is from a headline writer, I think for the New York Post, I'm not sure. Winter refuses to take a hibernation.
Yeah, it's been taking its time. We had a couple chilly mornings, but things warmed up a little bit today, made it up close to 70 degrees, and that's in spite of some showers that have been scooting through. Those showers now exiting the mid-state. In fact, looking off to the northeast, we're seeing still some lingering rain right now showing up over northern Sumner County, but just a few little blips on the radar. The bulk of the rain now Monroe and Cumberland counties and the Kentucky side of the border, down into Clay, Jackson, Overton, and Putnam counties on the Middle Tennessee side of the border, and this activity is moving farther and farther to the east, so it's not going to last all evening. The cloud cover will probably stick around and keep your temperatures a little bit cooler, but for the rest of us, we've actually seen some breaks in the cloud cover developing over the last few hours. You can see those clouds moving farther and farther off to the east. In terms of the next chance of rain, well, it's not too far off. Big system through the middle of the country, kind of getting its act together with some severe weather likely to move from northern Texas into Oklahoma. That severe weather threat's going to spread farther to the east. In fact, a little bit farther off to our southwest by the time tomorrow rolls around. So we're not likely to have to worry about that, even though we do have a good chance of showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. Here's what the skies have looked like throughout the day. A lot of cloud cover, some passing showers, and then sunshine trying to break through this afternoon. It's had more and more success within just the past about hour or two. We've seen quite a bit more sunshine in Nashville, and it's trying to make its way into eastern Middle Tennessee as well. Sun breaking through over the Webb School and Bell Buckle, looking good from the city of Clifton here in Wayne County. That flag really standing out though because it is breezy, and we do have that wind advisory that continues until midnight. Let's take a look at current temperatures, and right now we're right around 70 degrees, 69 in Nashville. A little cooler to the east with more cloud cover, a little warmer to the west where the sun came out a little earlier. 70 degrees right now in White Bluff, and you're in the mid 70s, even close to 80 degrees as you head into West Tennessee. It's 80 degrees right now in Jackson and in Dyersburg. For Middle Tennessee, though, the cloud cover stuck around just long enough to keep us out of the 70s in the eastern half of the mid-state. Very breezy conditions. That's going to keep our temperatures from falling off too far as we head through tonight. Temperatures are only going to drop down into the mid-60s by 10 o'clock and down to the upper 50s by early tomorrow morning, which is above average for the middle of April. In fact, about 10 to 12 degrees above average. Warming up quickly the first half of the day tomorrow. Once again, strong southerly winds pushing us up to the upper 60s to around 70 degrees by noon. But that's as far as we go because we're going to see that better chance of showers and thunderstorms moving in tomorrow afternoon, and that's going to limit our temperatures to the mid-60s in the afternoon. That wind advisory in effect for this evening continues until midnight, basically for the middle of the mid-state, but even if you're not in the wind advisory, it's still going to be very breezy. In terms of the rain chances, that holds off. We're going to start the day dry on Monday, although there could be a couple of showers trying to threaten our northernmost counties by drive time on Monday morning, but here comes the rain from the west, moving into the western half of the mid-state already by noon. Showers and thunderstorms becoming likely as we head through the afternoon and continuing with some locally heavy rainfall rates through drive time tomorrow evening, throughout the evening, and into tomorrow night as well before things finally start moving off to the east after midnight, Monday night into early Tuesday morning. A couple of lingering showers on Tuesday, and then we'll see skies clearing out. Should see quite a bit of sunshine by Tuesday afternoon, although it's not going to warm us up a whole lot. The good news with all that, yeah, it's a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. There's going to be some loud ones that maybe get your attention, but the severe weather threat does look like it's going to stay pushed farther off to our southwest. Even the marginal risk, which is the lowest category, stays off in West Tennessee. So it does not look likely that we're going to have to be concerned about severe weather tomorrow, but we'll keep an eye on it just in case. That chance of a shower early on Tuesday, we'll get out of here and then we'll dry out for Wednesday. Just isolated showers Thursday and Friday, and next weekend is looking really nice actually. Temperatures warming up to the upper 70s. Should see lots of sunshine. So the middle weekend of April is finally actually going to feel like April. We're going to be back with a check of sports. Joe Dubin's in with some highlights. It's coming up right after a quick break.